The Principal Chief Conservator of Forest Biodiversity and Wildlife and Chief Wildlife Warden Meghalaya Shillong SM Sahai IFS yesterday officially opened the Community Hall of Lyngdoh, Raliang. The Forest Department allocated a budget of 20 lakhs for the construction of the hall under the campus scheme. The purpose of funding the construction of the Community Hall of Lyngdoh, Raliang was to safeguard and preserve the 3.85 hectare forest area.
This instrument of community reserves under provisions of the Wildlife Protection Act, this gives opportunity to both the Forest Department and the communities to work together for a common goal of wildlife and forest conservation.